Drop it in any of these spots and then it'll land in a number below. Okay. And I'll get you your prize. A 1.
Number 1.
Right.
Wow.
There you go.
A little story with that. My grandpa, her great grandpa, actually was the designer for the plexiglass floor Plinko on the game.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Okay.
Down here on the end, we got our chief's office down here on the end.
Okay. Yeah, we seen the video you guys did where y'all keep stepping out of the hallway the other day.
Nice.
Yeah, that was cool.
Yep, and we just got a storage room up here for all of our cleaning supplies and mop filling, and makes it a lot more organized and
Yeah.
cleaner when it comes to. It's a big building to clean.
Sure
This
is.
is our report room for all of our rescue reports, fire reports. Then this will be a spare officer's office. Nobody's made it their home yet.
Nice. Love the chairs.
And then this is our new
Lounge.
This is our
Yeah.
lounge, little hangout area. I got those chairs made out of a company from Grand Rapids.
Very cool. I like those.
Yeah,
Those
they
are sweet.
unzip, like we could change the, if we ever got a new logo, we could change out the
Oh, that's cool.
logos in the middle.
Yeah.
And then we got 2 bathrooms on this end for us.
That's
And so with the epoxy floor, we changed it so gray is no gear. And once you get to red, you can have gear out here.
cool. Okay,
So
that makes
there's no
sense.
dirty, nasty stuff. in
Right,
there.
yeah, you never know what you're gonna get.
And
Right?
we have it posted with signs above. So we added out here in the gear area 2 shower rooms
Okay.
and then a unisex bathroom.
Beautiful. Yeah, you need that these days.
Yeah, this is the main. No. No. Nope. Just that room up there. That's actually the brain of the whole tornado center.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
So that has a radio system in there, and then when the dispatch center trips that, it sends the signal from there to the tornado center. And that's like a backup area. If the dispatch went down, we could use this to communicate with them.
That's awesome. Yeah. Especially the weather we've been having this year.
Yeah.
Crazy.
So the upgraded bays compared to our old station, these bays are 56 by 96.
Yeah, this is huge.
So our old station, the trucks were less than a foot, 6 inches from the door. Now we have 8-10 feet in front and 8-10 feet in the back. So we gained quite a bit of room.
Yeah, I mean, this is like, we live in Warren actually, and so our stations, well, the newer ones are okay, but these are bigger than even the newer ones. It's one of the biggest things is when they bought their new ladder truck, they didn't measure, it didn't fit the building.
We bought this for, I mean, we designed it so big because trucks are getting bigger.
Yeah.
We have a new truck that's getting delivered in December, and it's considerably longer than the rest.
Right. Yeah,
We're gonna need the extra. We're gonna need the extra space.
this is awesome.
These are Niederman systems. They hook to the truck's exhaust.
Yep.
So when the truck starts, a fan system automatically turns on and sucks all the exhaust out and blows it outside.
That's cool.
And when you drive out, it hits the trolley system. Those are
Disconnects.
magnetic and they detach.
They got no diesel fuel and fumes then. Yeah, that's cool.
This was a cool feature they added. These are constant CO detectors.
Okay.
So if the CO level gets too high in the building, it'll let off an audible alarm, and it's wired in with all the garage doors, and then all the garage doors will open to get all the CO out.
Oh, nice.
Sweet. That is very cool. Look at the big trucks, huh? Oh, look at that. Yeah, on that. Nice wrap.
This is our secondary pumper. This truck will stay here when our new truck comes, but the new truck is going to essentially replace this one.
Okay.
Updated, bigger truck. So we have 2 tankers right now. This one's 3,500 gallons. The one out front is 3,500 gallons. The new truck will be 4,000 gallons, and it'll hold 5 guys.
Wow, that is cool.
Well, when we go to a call, we'll have 11 to 12,000 gallons of water when we first get there.
Sweet.
Which is more than enough for most,
Yeah, right.
just most residential fires. But yeah, you can see how they attach.
Oh, yeah.
They just magnet it.
Neat. Cool.
Yeah, over here, our old station didn't have this. We take a lot of pride in keeping our equipment clean.
Yeah.
And we knew when we built this place, we needed a wash bay, and we needed a place that was separate from the apparatus bay to keep all of our trucks clean.
Right.
So we get back from a call, all the trucks come through, and guys will get on the 2 power washers, guys will be soaping. We pull equipment off, wash equipment in here, and they go back into service.
Very nice.
Pretty quick, and
Yeah.
per code it's an oil water separator.
Okay.
So anything that goes into the drains runs through this, separates all the oil and all the stuff, and it settles in it, and then the clean water goes out to the city water system.
Nice.
And then up top, that's our mess deck. We can go up there if you guys want to. We just keep all of our extra, a lot of our extra gear. We have racks up there, but mostly up there, it's all the breakers and all the utilities upstairs.
Okay.
And then we have racks up here that those are spill kits. That,
Yeah.
3 huge furnaces to keep the building warm.
Yeah, those are big. So are they electric or they run
They're
off gas? Gas.
Yep, natural gas. So that's the backup generator. Runs off natural gas. It's a Cummins engine. Powered, this is the whole brain of it. And as soon as the power goes out within so many seconds, the generator kicks on and powers the whole building.
Nice.
So we never lose power. And it just sucks right from the natural gas system.
Right.
This here's another storage room. We have all these organized with, these are all of our EMS equipment. It's on this side. Restock our truck. And then this is all extra fire equipment, gloves, masks, other PPE. We didn't have either of this at our new station. This is all new. This is a gear dryer. We can put hose in here, air packs, get everything clean. And that's an industrial extractor.
Okay.
That gets all the carcinogens out of the gear and cleans it to the standard that the NFPA wants the gear cleaned to get all like the cancer-causing carcinogens out of the gear. So, and it cleans it to the manufacturer spec for gear.
Nice.
So